Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we will go through how to set up a connection between a Schneider M221 PLC and a Kepware OPC UA server using Modbus TCP protocol. I have already made a project with some programming, an animation table and some global tags in my main task. In the Configuration tab, we want to make sure all security parameters are checked. To add our PLC in Kepware, we click to add a channel. Then in the channel list we choose Modbus TCP IP Ethernet. Then we can choose a channel name. Then we need to choose our computer's network adapter. It have to be in the same subnet as your PLC. Then we can just click Next until it's done. Now to add our PLC to this channel, we click on Click to add a device. We then get to name our PLC in the channel. Then we choose Modbus as the communication in use. We then need to specify our PLC IP address followed by .0. We can then just click Next until it's finished. Now to add our tags to the OPC, we right-click and choose New Tag. Then give it an address. To write the first memory bit in a Modbus protocol, we give it 5 zeros and 1. This is same as my memory bit 0 in my PLC program. To write a word tag, it starts with 40. So I will set the address 40,001 in the OPC server. This will write a value to my memory word 0 tag. We can now start a quick client to test out the connection. If we go to our channel we can see that the quality is good. This means it got connection to the PLC. To write a tag from the OPC server, we right-click on the tag we want to write and click on Asynchronous 2.0 Write. Then write a value and apply. I will test out all my tags to make sure they all got connection. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.